Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will draw a happening scene of the market. Before we start, imagine a scene of a busy market. So we have a reference to draw from. Let's draw a vendor who's sitting on the ground and handing a bag of vegetables to a person. Start with the head and the torso. After that, we will draw the position of the legs. Now the man sitting in front of him who is taking the vegetables from the vendor. Use the same process we used for the vegetable vendor. Now let's draw the man standing behind them, 2 bags in his hands. The reason for using this method is to sketch out proportions and placement of the characters, which helps us in composing the sketch better. Next, draw in some vegetable baskets around vendor. After that, draw in the remaining 2 characters, as shown in the video. Keep the lines light as we will erase them and add details over. Make sure to check the proportions with our sketch as it is a big factor. Using this method of drawing basic shapes of a sketch, you can draw poses from imagination as well. Now drawing the background of the market, along with little detail of clothes on the characters. Before going ahead, if you are enjoying this tutorial, like the video, which motivates us to do great work like this. The one thing that will make your drawing stand out is adding simple details like a mustache or glasses can make your character drawing stand out and feel more unique. Observe people around you and note their unique features. These can inspire and enhance your character drawings. While applying details, take your time as it is a very important part of the drawing. Once we are done with the details, let us start with coloring the sketch. Make sure strokes are uniform and in the same direction, so the sketch looks more cohesive. While coloring, one thing you should keep in mind is the proportion of colors so that you can have a balanced sketch. Carefully blend the colors together so the sketch looks livelier. Make sure to pay attention to the source of light, as it will define the position of shadows and highlights on the sketch. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe for more such content. Now let's help other artists. Share one key drawing technique you use that could benefit others as well in the comments. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.